field trip of the program. Probably the Fresno field trip, because we got to see a lot of really crazy infrastructure and how the billions of dollars they're investing into high-speed rail are actually being used. Like, I remember reading about HSR when I was much younger and thinking, oh my god, when's it gonna come, when it's gonna come? And now I see, oh, they're actually building it, right? It's actually happening now. And we got to speak with all the interesting people working on it, the construction managers, the engineers, and so it was really interesting seeing the way people are tackling all these massive problems with transportation and infrastructure in the Midwest, in the Central Valley. And also how the people there came from many different backgrounds too. There were engineers, there were policy majors, psychologists, and from around the world too. Like Jorge Rios, he was from Colombia, I think, right? And also he worked for a German company and then worked around the world, and so a lot of different perspectives in transportation is pretty interesting.
I think I also really enjoyed the Fresno field trip. We got to meet a lot of different people, and I think that field trip really brought it into view that it's not just engineers that work on construction and transportation. There's a lot of other people who come into it, and I was really surprised that there's only two engineers that were showing us around. Everyone else was of a different major and a different subject, and they had an equally important role for the high-speed rail project.
And it was really cool because we were able to talk to a bunch of Coast Guards where they explained a lot of stuff and how it works. And even they were so friendly, and we talked one-on-one with them, always like their experience, how they got there and what they do. And we were even able to get on the ship, which was amazing. We saw where they drive the ship and everything, all of the controls and how it works to drive a ship, so many people that it takes in order to function it and everything, and it was just an amazing experience, honestly.